Woodworking tips to make your crafts look better, a blog about tips and tricks to make your projects. Start with high-quality wood. Using good quality wood as a starting point can make a big difference in the final look of your project. Use sharp tools. Sharp tools make cleaner cuts, which can give your project a more professional finish. Sand properly. Sanding is an important step in the woodworking process, but it's important to sand in the right direction and to the right grit to get the best results. Pre-stain conditioner. Pre-stain conditioner helps to even out the absorption of stain, resulting in a more consistent finish. Use wood filler sparingly. Wood filler can be a useful tool for filling gaps and imperfections, but it's important to use it sparingly so that it doesn't affect the overall look of your project. Practice. Like any craft, woodworking requires practice to improve your skills. The more you work with wood, the better you'll become at producing high-quality projects. Thank you for watching videos. More information visit at description.